Place the top shelf on a soft surface. Orient it so the front, with the wider border, is facing you. Install the headphone hanger on either side of the top shelf. Install the anti-tip bracket to prevent accidental tip-overs. Insert a panel nut into each of the 4 corners, like so. Holding the nut in place with the Allen wrench, screw in the short rod with the other hand. Repeat in all 4 corners so it looks like this. Retrieve 4 couplers from the parts bag. Screw onto each short rod. Attach a medium rod to each coupler. Slide a short pillar over each rod assembly, carefully aligning it to the square recesses cut in the shelf. Slide the upper shelf over the threaded rods, ensuring it is oriented the same way as the top shelf. Attach a coupler to each of the medium rods. Now attach the long rods. Slide a long pillar over each rod assembly. Make sure it fits into the square recesses cut into the shelf. Slide the middle shelf over the threaded rods, making sure it is oriented the same way as the other shelves. Check again that the pillars are properly set in the square recesses. Slide the remaining long pillars over each rod assembly. Slide the base shelf in position over the 4 rods. The label should be facing up and towards the rear of the shelf. The stand may feel a little loose, but we will tighten it so it's rock solid. Place a washer on each rod, followed by a hex nut. At this point, you can use a wrench to tighten the hex nut so it's snug. And if you want to feel good about yourself, use the largest wrench available. Slip a spacer on each rod, then screw on a foot. You may now rotate the stand to its upright position. After ensuring the pillars are properly aligned, hand tighten each of the top panel nuts so the stand becomes completely rigid. Insert a plug into each of the 4 holes. The stand is now fully complete, and you should feel proud of yourself. Adjust the feet to ensure SpinStand is stable and level. Add your favorite records and listening equipment, and you're good to go. Cool shot.